Shanghai Dasong corrugating roll has become the biggest corrugating roll manufacturer in the world, depending on the stable quality and faithful management principles. Cooperating with other famous Western brands, Shanghai Dasong has provided high-class corrugating rolls for those corrugated cardboard manufacturers. The harness of Dasong's corrugating roll is of diamond class. In addition to the normal manufacturing technology, Shanghai Dasong has developed many special technologies to meet the actual demand of the market, such as cryogenic treatment, heat-treating recombination, and other heat treatment methods. Therefore, the actual body hardness of corrugating roll can reach HRC 62. It is much higher than the normal hardness in the market, which is usually HRC 55. It can effectively prolong the lifetime of corrugating rolls. The stable quality of Shanghai Dasong's corrugating roll is attributed to the strict quality control system. Specially assigned personnel will test the chemical components and physical parameters in raw material purchase. Technical department will lay down manufacturing process for every single corrugating roll. Each roll will have its own process list. Manufacturing workers will make the rolls in the strict accordance with the process list and will make self-detection on request. Quality control staff will recheck after completion of every process. Every set of Dasong's corrugating roll will be installed and tested on our self-developed test machines. The test sample sheet will be sent to the customer together with the roll sheets if customer requests. And don't forget, every set of Dasong roll has its own ID number, so we can remember every roll even after many years. Not only the good ABC Fruit tungsten corrugating rolls, the perfect performance of Dasong's E-Fruit roll has broken the prejudice that E-Fruit can only make simple coating. Every year, Dasong produces over 300 sets of E-Fruit corrugating rolls to meet customers' demand. It not only provides a stable carbohydrate quality, but also prolongs the lifetime and decreases the manufacturing cost. In the meantime, the perfect performance of Dasong's N and O-Fruit rolls on European-made machines also declares to the world that superfine fruit of corrugating roll has no longer been a miracle anymore. Tailor-made fruit profile service is the free pre-sale service that Dasong provides for customers all around the world. In addition to the standard fruit profile recommendations, Dasong will take customers' real situation into consideration and customize fruit design for them. It is truly believed that over 20 years accumulation of fruit profile database will provide abundant enjoyment for you. We always remember, it is impossible that only few different kinds of profiles on each fruit can satisfy the corrugate board manufacturers, depending on their market. Some single phasers in the industry has typical vibration troubles on some speeds, and if the fruit profile is not suitable for running speed and paper grades, the user are having a big problem during the roll's lifetime. Thanks to the successful results on hundreds of customers, Dasong can let you go better results than any kind of other single phasers. Dasong roll can be found both in European and Asian brand single phasers. We can find them in small lines such as 1,400 millimeters or the big ones such as 3,300, both in small diameter such as 250 millimeters or the big one like 540 millimeters, both in slow speed machine like 50 mpm or in the fast speed machine such as 450 mpm. The lowest fluid height Dasong's is 0.3 millimeters and the highest fluid height is like 10 millimeters. Shanghai Dasong is also one of the most famous periphery heating corrugating roll manufacturers, together with some other European high-end corrugating roll enterprises. Many successful cases on Western machines, including BHAs and Fosber, can prove that we have created a win-win situation. If you not only care about price, but also pay attention to quality and cost performance, please trust the world's biggest corrugating roll manufacturer, Shanghai Dasong's Corrugating Roll Company. You can find us in professional corrugated industry exhibition and in professional packaging magazines. We are always around you, no matter where you are. We are ready.